there, beautiful people. It's Shawa here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also, do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the challenge and welcome to day 14. Look at you taking your life seriously, taking 2025 seriously. I'm so proud of you for making it to the end of this week. Well done, you are doing great. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to be reviewing and reflecting this day. We're not going to be, doing anything serious today because we just want to look at all of the steps that we did. So all of the tactic planning, all of the results planning, all of the habits planning, the vision boarding. We just want to make sure that everything is nice. If you skipped any activity, this is your time to do that right now. So write down everything that you did, anything that you missed, you can go back to it and just make sure that you finish it. Anything that maybe is on your vibe, maybe you just want to check it. This is just a time for you to just review everything that you've done and just reflect. Okay, is this aligned with me? Is this aligned with what I want? Switch things up, make changes if you want to, or if you know that you did everything, you can just take a break today. You can just take a break from planning today. So yeah, guys, you can just write it down. If you want to reflect, just write it down. Okay, this is the activity that I did. Any notes that you may want to write, and then just click. Click. I'm so used to clicking things, you can just take it off. And yeah, guys, that is just that for that. But if you got our Notion template, this is how you can do it in our Notion template. So as you can see, it's showing you congrats on finishing week 2. Take a moment to revisit the steps you've taken this week and catch up on any pending steps, all of that. So as you can see here now, it's going to show you everything that you did for this week. So of course, if everything is done, it's going to show you done. Click on it and just go over everything that you've done, all of your goals, all of your results, your habits. Just make sure that everything is good. So yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow for day 15. Bye.